Hey everyone, Imran here. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm excited because we're going to be unboxing and taking a look at the new 14-inch MacBook Pro. Let's unbox this. Nice. This thing feels so compact, especially coming from my 15-inch MacBook Pro. It feels really solid. This feels awesome. I'm really happy with this. Let's take a look at that MagSafe. It's got a pretty decent seal there. That's nice. I was primarily looking for a laptop that would give me photo and video editing capability on the go. The configuration I have is the M1 Pro with 16 gigs of RAM and 1TB SSD. Now, I've used a 15-inch MacBook Pro for a long time. I've also had a 13-inch Air. I've always liked the screen size of the 15-inch, but I've always loved the portability of the MacBook Air. So when Apple announced the 14 and 16-inch MacBook Pros, I was really excited because the new 14-inch seems to be the perfect balance of power and size, pretty much having the same power as the 16-inch MacBook Pro. The 16-inch seemed a little too big for me, and it's a little heavier than it used to be. Before, you had to choose between power and portability with Apple's laptops, but that's no longer the case since Apple switched to their own chips. Now, while I did see Apple announce the M2, it's only in the MacBook Air, and the MacBook Air just didn't have the ports that I wanted, nor did it have support for multiple displays, which is something I like to have the option of. These new MacBook Pros feature the Liquid Retina display, which features a really bright display, and also ProMotion, so it feels really responsive and smooth. Now, these have Apple's new 6-speaker sound system, so it's got spatial audio. We get an upgraded Facetime camera and up to 17 hours of battery life. I am so happy to have the SD card slot back. Out of all the ports, that was the one I was missing the most. I don't really use the HDMI port that much. I do photography as a hobby, and I've used SD cards for a long time. Having an SD card is just crucial. It's great to have MagSafe back, and I really like that you can now use USB-C or MagSafe, depending on what option you want. USB-C is great because it connects to monitors and charges over a single cable. Now, I've been using the M1 Mac Mini for the past year and a half. I'm definitely looking forward to testing this laptop out. I will be editing this video on it and seeing how it compares to my M1 Mac Mini, and I'm sure I'll bring that to you guys in a future video. That's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed it, please consider subscribing, and I'll catch you guys next time.